Hi boys, so let's move on to the next chapter, trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. Remember tan 45 was one that we did in our previous class. But anyway, let's see. So these are the 5 standard angles: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now we need to calculate their sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec values. A simple way of learning this is first write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 5 different angles. We write from 0 to 4. Next step, divide by 4. Next step, divide by 4. And the final step, take the square root of this value. I repeat, first write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next step, divide it by 4. And next step, take square root. 3 steps. The first one is for 0 degree, second for 30, third for 45, this is for 60, and this is for 90. So 0 divided by 4 is 0, square root of 0 is 0, which means sine 0 degree is 0. Now let's look at sine 90 and sine 30 degree. 1 upon 4, square root of 1 is 1, square root of 4 is 2. 2 divided by 4 is 1 upon 2, square root of 1 is 1, square root of 2 is 2. So 1 upon root 2. This is square root of 3 is 3, square root 3, square root of 4 is 2. 4 divided by 4 is 1, which means square root of 1 is 1. Please notice that when I am going from sine 0 to sine 90 degree, I am moving from 0 to 1. So sine 0 degree is 0 and sine 90 degree is 1. I am moving from 0 to 1, which means I am increasing. Let's look at cos. For writing the cos, I will just reverse this value. Reverse. So here it is 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Now I'll reverse, rewrite it in the reverse order. So it will be 1, next is a root 3 by 2, next is 1 by root 2, next is half, and next is 0. So cos, to write cos, you just reverse the value. Now let's look at tan. Tan we know is sine divided by cos. So 0 divided by 1 is 0. Now let's look at what I had talked about cos. So cos 0 degree is 1 and cos 90 degree is 0, which means I'm moving from 1 to 0, which means this value is reducing, whereas this value was increasing. Now let's go to tan. Tan 0 by 1, tan is equal to sine upon cos. So 0 by 1 is 0. Half divided by root 3 by 2 is 1 upon root 3. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 is 1. Remember, tan 45 degree is 1. Root 3 by 2 divided by half is root 3, and 1 divided by 0 is infinite or not defined. Dividing by 0 not allowed in mathematics, so tan 90 degree is not defined. Now let's get to cot. How do you get to cot? For getting into cot, you rewrite this in the reverse order. So this is, rewrite tan in the reverse order. So this is infinite, this is root 3, this is 1, this is 1 upon root 3, and this is 0. Like the way you went from sine to cos, which is you rewrote it as in the opposite order, here also you write it in the opposite order. Now for sec. Sec is a reciprocal of cos. So reciprocal of cos would be 1 divided by 1, which is 1. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1, or rather 1 upon root 3 by 2 will be 2 upon root 3. The next one is 1 upon root 2, so this will become root 2. 1 upon 2 will become 2. And this will be 1 divided by 0, which is infinite, which is not defined. And the last one, cosec. Well, you can write sec in the opposite order, or you can do the reciprocal of sine. So 1 divided by 0, not defined. Where is my cursor? Yes, not defined. This is not defined. The next will be 1 upon half, which is 2, which is I could have gone from here. This is root 2, this is 2 upon root 3, and this is 1. This is the most important part of this chapter. If you know how to do this, then this chapter is very easy. So I'll pause it here. Please take. So let's solve some questions. Question 1, part 1, sine 30 degree into cos 30 degree. Now let's substitute value. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2 and cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So this answer is root 3 upon 4. Let's look at third part, cos square 60. So cos 60 degree is equal to half. So this is half square plus sine 30 degree is also half. So this is half square. So this is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is 2 by 4, which is equal to half. Let's look at part 5, sine square 30 degree. Now sine 30 degree is half, so this is half square plus cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2 square plus cot 45 degree. Cot 45 degree is 1, so this is 1 square. So this is 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 1. This will be equal to 4 by 4 plus 1, which is equal to 2. Let's look at question 2, part 2. Tan 45 degree is 1, cosec 30 degree is 2, plus sec 60 degree is 2, and cot 45 degree is 1, minus 5 times sine 90. Sine 90 is 1 upon 2 into cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. So this is half plus 2 minus 5 by 2. The LCM is 2. So 1 plus 4 minus 5 equal to 0. Let's look at question 3, part 2. We need to prove. So this is prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So let's look at left hand side. Left hand side is cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 multiplied with cos 60. Cos 60 is half minus sine 30. Sine 30 is half multiplied with sine 60, which is root 3 by 2. This is equal to root 3 upon 4 minus root 3 upon 4, which is equal to 0, which is equal to right hand side. Done. Hence proved. Let's look at part 4. Part 4 says cos square 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square minus sine 30, which is half whole square. I am looking at left hand side. Left hand side becomes 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4, which is 2 upon 4, which is half. Now let's look at cos right hand side. Right hand side is equal to cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to half. Since LHS is equal to RHS, hence done. Let me see if I have more time.